Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. In this video, we're going to experiment on how to redirect um, a Blazor page into another page. So in this experiment, we're going to redirect to employees when we land into this route. So if the route is just slash here, like the root route, then we will redirect into employees page. So I saw this one here. I saw this online in Medium, and this is from Robert Maclaus. So it's saying that we can add this using services and add and check this. So we'll just um, inject it right away. Okay, so we already have a code behind. So we will inject this URI helper here. What is this? Okay, generate. So it's not available. Using. So maybe we'll do this one here first. So we'll be using Microsoft Blazor services. So maybe this is not yet available. So we might add it first. So we go to our NuGet packages here, the NuGet package, then add this Blazor services. So it's not available as well. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so what do we need to do? Blazor services. So let's read. The short answer is as follows: add this one to the top of the page. Add inject. Uh-huh. Actually injects into the code. Damn. While working on my latest Blazor, I needed a way to be able to mimic a response that redirect and navigate the user away from the page. So I believe this is only for server side because I'm using a web assembly here and it's not working. Alright, okay, so I believe I found this. So I will inject navigation manager, the navigation manager here. I'll just make it short, nav manager, and we can nav manager dot redirect navigate to, yep, navigate to employees. Okay, so okay, let's try this, crossing our fingers. So it takes some time. So this is our URL, so it now started. Okay. Oh, okay, so it goes to employees. It navigates. All right, cool. So that's it works. So to navigate to another page in Blazor, we're just going to use navigation manager and navigate to. That's it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. Thanks. Tell your friends and families. Bye. Bye.